Hello everyone, welcome to channel ZDP Hacking. Today we are going to solve Symbiosis National Aptitude Test 2024 paper which was held on December 2024 by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper itself. So as you know that we have been discussing all the questions right from the quantitative data interpretation and data sufficiency 16 number question till end of this quant section till 35, but I request you to please watch 35th number lecture because trust me, if you will watch this lecture and if you will try to apply my methods, you will reduce your time significantly and you will ace in a top 5 percentage of snap percentilers. So let us go ahead as we have initiated analytical and logical reasoning section, and we have yesterday solved 43 number question. Today we are going to solve 44 number of question. So let us solve the question. Earthquake happened in ocean. Okay. Due to earthquake, tsunami waves occurred. Due to the tsunami, there were 192 deaths and loss of 7 million USD of property. Identify the effect. So here the effect they are asking. Effect. Kindly note, not cause. They are just trying to ask effect. So what is effect? Is it tsunami wave? No, never. Is it tsunami wave? No, never. Is it earthquake is a effect? No. Effect is what? This loss, death and losses. That means casualties, prop loss and death. This is the correct answer. So in these type of question where they're asking effect, you don't have to apply your mind. You have to go straight forward and just tick the question, tick the option in which you are 100% sure. Don't apply your mind. Don't go inside the option like tectonic movement is the effect of earthquake. This can be true. Earthquake is itself a effect of tectonic movement. This can be true. No, this is not correct. You have to go only one step. Don't go 2 or 3 steps ahead inside that question. So that's all from my side. Thank you for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and just tomorrow we will solve 45 number of questions. Thank you very much for joining us. Make sure you have just join our group. Link is given below. Different colleges group NIBM, NIA, GDPI, NIBM, ZDPI, SNAP 2025 itself, Symbiosis, SIBM, SCMHRD. These people are inside the SNAP 2025 group itself. Thank you very much for watching this. Make sure you have subscribed to our channel and share this video with your friends.